how to buy virtual protocol token. So this token is came under the symbol of virtual. And before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, to be able to buy this token, make sure to check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. So this token is available on Dex Screener. If you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. As you can see, the liquidity here, it's locked by 99%. That means your investment in the safe place. After that, if you want to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token came under the Solana network. Now after that, go and open your Phantom wallet and click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our virtual protocol token. Click on it. Now after that, type here how much you want to buy. After that, this is how much you will receive with the token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information. And after that, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues after that, just go back to this page, switch the slip punch from here or custom it, and after that, you can buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a virtual token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.